Well, I think we need another u-substitution to integrate this problem. We can't split up denominators in any way, so we don't have too much of a choice here. If we want to integrate this, we should probably make our u 131 minus x. That would make our du negative dx. Moving the negative sign gives you that dx is negative du. That takes care of our denominator and our dx, but we have this extra x floating around up here. And what we can do to get rid of that x is we can solve our initial substitution for x. If we do that, we get x equals 131 minus u. And now we can start with this integral. I'm going to pull the 8 out, and then I'm going to make all of my substitutions. I know that x is 131 minus u. I know that 131 minus x is what I defined as my u, and I know that my dx is negative du. Okay, in the original integral, we could not split up a denominator, but we can split up a numerator. I'm going to take this negative outside, and I'm going to split this integral into two pieces. 8 times 131 is 1048, and u over u is just 1. So I think that we've simplified this thing down as much as we possibly can. Now it's time to integrate. The integral of 1 over u du is just the natural log of the absolute value of u, and the integral of du is just u. And we're pretty close to a final answer. We can just substitute back what u was, and we should be finished. Since these problems are going pretty quickly, I'm going to give you just a little bit of bonus math here. If we distribute this 8 through the parentheses, we get this 1048 term, which is just a constant, but you'll notice that we already have a constant in this problem that we don't know. So 1048 plus some constant we don't know is just some other constant we don't know. So we don't need that 1048 in our answer. We can just call our answer negative 1048 natural log of 131 minus x minus the 8x term plus some constant, I'll call it c1, so as to differentiate it from this c up here. Now this answer is correct, but maybe this answer is a little bit more useful to you, or maybe it just looks a little bit nicer. Anyway, I figured I'd show you that little bit of algebra. I'll see you in the next video.